Who is it? Is it Thanos?
So guys, welcome to my man cave, and my name is Sunny, also known as the Motographer. The man behind the camera believes that I am India's first and original moto vlogger, vlogger. बहुत सारे terms हो गए आज की डेट में.
I don't believe it, but I actually know it that you know जब आधे लोग जो ये आजकल व्लॉग करते सारी चीजें जब नैप्पी में घूम रहे थे ना, that time this man here ये जितने भी आपको ऐसे खतरनाक बालों के साथ स्टाइल में जो आपको ये आदमी दिख रहा है, he was riding across the world, different countries, different beautiful motorcycles, and a lot of people have been inspired by him. It's the first platform XBHP, जिनको नहीं पता है अब obviously पता है, but it's the first platform जो कि online भी है, एक community भी है, it's a magazine also, and I think thanks to you it caters to everybody out there जिसका जो भी तरीका है content देखने का, it caters to every audience out there. I think that is something very unique about XBHP. थोड़ा और जानता है that what does he have to think about it. So over to Sunny again.
I started quite early and that makes me feel old, but don't go on my age, because as you can see all around me, I've maintained the passion which I had from childhood and have managed to amalgamate the passion made into my profession, and I'm still continuing even after 17 years, because I started riding, I started photography when I was 20, and things have changed. Facebook has come, Instagram has come, there are influencers, it's all about numbers, but what I think matters is the kind of work that you do, the sincerity of the work, and you should be true to yourself.
As Sunny said, नंबर गेम है, मतलब दो सनी हो गए तो प्लीज कंफ्यूज मत होना, बट हाँ नंबर गेम बन चुके हैं बहुत सारी चीजें, एंड सनी थोड़ा सा मतलब नंबर गेम उनको बोलना नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज लुकिंग एट द नंबर ऑफ स्केल मॉडल्स, कलेक्टिबल्स, वॉट एवर यू नेम इट, ही हैज इट. मतलब तुम लोगों को लगता है कि द कॉन्टेंट और द स्केल मॉडल्स और एवरीथिंग दैट आई हैव इज यूनिक और आई हैव इज वेरी मच, बट ट्रस्ट मी ऑन दिस, दैट इज लाइक नथिंग, दैट इज लाइक चुटकी in front of what he has. Now these are some beautiful shots, कुछ मैंने लिए, कुछ खुद सनी ने लिए. So दोनों सनियों ने जो है हमने कैमरा पे थोड़ा थोड़ा काम किया है, सिंपल तरीके से, बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ कि ये कलेक्शन कैसा है. ब्यूटीफुल ब्यूटीफुल कलेक्शन.
So this is my favorite helmet, which I've just worn once, but this is actually the Nicky Hayden tribute. ये AGV का है, and this also has critical football element. So this is excellent because 46 and 69, and I think
together this is something so unique. I mean, ये बहुत, I don't think any other helmet ever has had this concept before.
There is one more thing, because Nicky Hayden had Shoei, I think, if I remember correctly. So Shoei and AGV, I mean, obviously, you know, they don't work together.
Yeah.
But as a, what you call, one-off instance, they say that we need to, I mean, Rossi might have said that we need to have this tribute to one of the best racers in MotoGP, and hence this is a reality now. Alright, so this one is also very special to me. In fact, this is one of the lot of gifts, mementos and souvenirs that XBHPians and motorcyclists, they gave us in one of our road trips around India. So this one has been designed by Soman, if I remember correctly, in Bangalore, on the collector's ride in 2014, and this is just beautifully done, you know, I mean, and I feel very proud when I see these kind of mementos. For example, this one is from a place called Asansol, which was not even supposed to be on the map, motorcycling map of India. Now they are doing great job, and this one, as you can see, is given by Jaipur in the recently concluded road trip United. So there are many more mementos, and I'm going to make a wall out of them also. It's going to be displayed at the entry. हाँ, वहाँ पे खोल के दिखाता हूँ उसको. Okay. All right, so This could very well be a jewelry box. This could be a mithai ka dabba. This could be anything. But right now it holds one of my favorite motorcycles, one of my dream motorcycles. I first saw the Suzuki Hayabusa in 2003, if I remember correctly. Now this one is very special. The first reason why it is special is I bought it from Nürburgring. Let me open this for you, because the kind of quality that this model is made out of, this is not your standard die cast. You know, this is really heavy. It's made of metal, rubber. You can even see the cables. Each cable is beautifully detailed, and this is the latest model, obviously. Now the Hayabusa has been discontinued in its current form, but this one is as latest as it can happen. And best of all, I've got this motorcycle in my garage. What a beauty this scale model is. Absolutely amazing.
Before we see that, Hayabusa के fans कितने? Comment करके मुझे बताओ, because it is, don't you think, one of the most time tested motorcycles?
2 radiator fan है Hayabusa. You ask how many fans?
ये पीछे था, मतलब मुझे थोड़ा टाइम लगा समझने में, बट समझ आ गया. फैंस जैसे जनता में कितने फैंस हैं हायाबुसा के, कमेंट करके बताओ, बिकॉज आई थिंक हायाबुसा इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट टाइम टेस्टेड मशीन्स. इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट वर्सेटाइल मशीन्स.
It's one of the machines which has become a cult unto itself, like a brand, you know.
जी राम राम
Ram Ram.
So that was a quick tour, actually quick नहीं, काफी अच्छा detailed tour था ये of Sunny's Man Cave, Candyland, जो भी आप बोलना चाहो इसको. This is the ex-BHP headquarters and Sunny, it was a pleasure coming here. बहुत मजा आया. आपने अपना experience share किया मेरी audience के साथ, जो कि बहुत कम लोग करते हैं honestly speaking in this world of influencers. But because he is the original, एकदम बिंदास है and बहुत ही real है. आपको feeling अलग ही आती है कि he is a real motorcyclist. तो बहुत मजा आया. And any message that you want to give to my audience?
Well, number one, I am extremely pleased, as you can see. Even Thor agrees, and of course I have the Infinity Gauntlet with me. But talking about Infinity Gauntlet power, so with power comes responsibility, which means that if you're on a machine, even if it's like 15 horsepower or 150 horsepower, you should always wear riding gear. And I had my first accident in 17 years, couple of months ago. I landed on my wrist and my wrist broke. Not one scratch anywhere else. I was only sitting on the bike, somebody hit me. So you can never be ready enough for any such kind of a contingency on the road. Anyway, so short and sweet, be safe, ride safe, and follow your passion. Don't follow the expectations of other people, especially on the internet.
Because अगर राइडिंग गियर नहीं पहनोगे तो
life can end in a snap.
Life can end in a snap. All right, so thank you so much, Sunny, for having me here. It was a pleasure shaking hands with you. See you very soon. Yep.